Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log out of T-Life app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your T-Life app, and once you open up your app, what you need to do is simply tap on the Me icon that is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll be provided with the options, and among them what you need to do is select the account settings. And once you select the account settings, scroll down, and then on the bottom you'll be seeing an option that says logout. All you gotta do is simply tap on logout, and the next prompt will show you if you're sure to log out. All you gotta do is simply tap on OK, and then that will lead you to log out of T-Life app. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.